Hello everyone. I have a question for you. How do you watch YouTube on your desktop? Similarly, how do you scroll to social media on your desktop? Pause the video and think for a moment. Now, if you are like me, the answer would be using a web browser. So, why do you suddenly need a separate app for each of your internet-based services when it comes to your smartphone? Well, in the majority of the cases, you don't. They all have their fully functional mobile websites up and running. How about this? Which is the biggest app store on the internet? Well, it is the internet itself, that is, the websites. Let me introduce you to something called progressive web application. You can see the exact definition on your screen. Feel free to pause and absorb it. But on a high level, these are installable websites for mobile or a desktop. Now, for you to install it, you don't need any special app store. You can get these from your browser itself. If the website offers this functionality, you will see the install option in your browser settings when you are on that website. But here is the thing. Whatever you and I say or think isn't going to make a difference. It is critical to see how the tech industry sees it, as an emerging opportunity, or just another stone of the steps in the technological evolution. Microsoft, after losing the web and mobile OS battle to Google and Apple, is giving a big push to progressive web applications through its Microsoft Store and Edge browser. They have even partnered with PWA Builder, which specializes in helping developers build progressive web applications. As for Google, as per their internal report, the progressive web application installations nearly tripled in 2021. And therefore, they don't want to miss the bandwagon either and are bringing new improvements to the progressive web application experience. So, the next question would be, how does progressive web apps benefit developers, both app developers, and platform developers? Primarily, app developers wouldn't require to maintain platform-specific source codes, which would result in reduced development and bug fixing times. Similarly, platform developers wouldn't need to worry about onboarding developers to their platform to bridge the app gap. Finally, we, the end user, save precious space and bandwidth of our smartphones by using these apps. However, it is worth mentioning that all the apps cannot and shouldn't be replaced with a progressive web application. Like a keyboard app, or any other app which doesn't require internet access. Also, since these are web-based, it significantly increases the risk of online tracking. Therefore, preferably a privacy-focused browser should be used. Here are some prominent examples to start your journey with the progressive web apps. Do let me know your favorite progressive web applications. Discuss and educate your friends and family with the help of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.